Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing a clean data block. Put your independent variable in the left column and dependent values to the right so Excel maps them correctly. Once done, remove blanks or error cells so the chart engine won't misalign points. Use filter or sort to confirm continuity. Now select the exact range including header labels. This tells Excel to create a legend and axis titles automatically, saving you editing steps later and ensuring correct series mapping. Next, choose Insert then Recommended Charts or pick Scatter for true XY plotting. This matters because line charts assume equal category spacing. If you combine different metrics, change a series chart type or assign it to a secondary axis so scales don't distort relationships. Then use chart design options to switch rows and columns if series are swapped, and add concise axis titles and a legend to clarify meaning. These edits make the visual accurate and interpretable. Finish by refining axes. Set explicit min, max, and major unit so the scale communicates patterns correctly. This prevents misleading compression. Next, add a trend line and choose to display the equation and R² to quantify fit, which helps you interpret causality versus correlation. Finally, export the chart as an image or paste into your report and save the workbook. If points look off, check for hidden filters, mixed data types, or stray spaces as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.